Question number 5. Let's go through the question. Solve the following simultaneous equation. If 2, 1, the point is solution. Solution is the keyword of the simultaneous equation. X squared plus xy plus py is equal to q and 2px plus 3y equal to q. Find the value of p and q. Hence, find the other solutions. So for question like this, the keywords is 2, 1 is the solution. So let's copy down the simultaneous equation. Whenever we see solution is given, it means that you can substitute x is 2 and then y is 1. The y is 1. P unknown. When we see y, we will substitute 1 because 2, 1 means x is 2, y is 1. Satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation meaning that you can substitute into the equation and it will be equal left and right. So when you see solution, you can substitute. Solution means substitute, remember that. Okay, substitution. Start with the s and s. Right. So after you substitute, you simplify to the simplest form. So 4 plus 2 plus p equal to q. Now from here we can write q minus p equal to 6. This is number 1. Right? Okay, so we can substitute into another equation. 2px plus 3y equal to q. Let's substitute. 2px, when we see x, we will substitute 2 plus 3y. When we see y, we substitute 1. And then here, equal to q unknown, so we will get another equation in terms of q. So we can write as 4p minus, or we can write as q minus 4p equal to 3. Now we can solve these two equations. Now I'm going to minus because I can see for the 1 we have q also, right? So this is 1. So let me show you how I eliminate the q. In order to eliminate q, we will minus 2 minus 1. Be careful when you minus means every term will minus. Q minus q, that is our purpose. We cancel out, eliminated. Negative 4p minus, so it becomes plus. So negative 4p plus p, so it's negative 3p. And 3 is going to minus with the 6, minus. So it's negative 3. Right? So hence p is equal to 1. And how to find the q? We can substitute into any equation. So we substitute here. Right, so q is 4p. When you see p, you substitute 1 plus 3. Hence q is equal to 7. So we have solved p and q. So we can use a p and q and substitute back into this equation. Meaning that we can use a p, which is 1 here. This is 1. And q is 7 here. So we will get the equation x squared plus xy plus y equal to 7. And here we can use a p. Our p is 1 here. times 1, so it's 2p. 2p is 2, right? Because p is 1, so it's 2x plus 3y equal to q is 7. So we have two equations. Now we want to find the other solution. So this simultaneous got two solutions. Now we want to find another one. Now let's solve it. So I'm going to show you how to solve it. Now our equation is x squared plus xy plus y equal to 7. This is non-linear equation. Number 1, we have linear equation. This is linear equation. Alright, this is linear equation. We will start from linear. Always start from the linear. Start from the easy one. So I'm going to start with the, either you want to start with x or y, it's okay, the same. Let's say I want y in terms of x. So y, because I don't have to square, right? So I'll choose y. Choose the easy way. But it's okay, you get the same answer. So I will substitute 3 into 1. Substitute. Okay. So we will sub 3 into 1. Now x squared plus x. When we see y, we substitute 7 minus 2x over 3. When we see y again, we will write 7 minus 2x over 3. And then is equal to 7. Right? So this is how you substitute. When you see y, you will substitute with 7 minus 2x. Right? So I don't have to square because I use y as a subject of x. Now, because of the denominator got 3, right? So normally we will times with the 3. Everyone will times with the 3 to make the equation easy. You look at the denominator, you times 3 carefully, so you have 3x squared. When you times 3, no more fraction, so it becomes 7x multiply in, and then minus 2x squared, right? Right, and then this 3 you cancel out, so you just have a very simple, you don't have the times in fact. Why? Because the 3 is cancelled out with the denominator. So this 3 cancel out, right? So become very simple, right? Is equal to 7. Alright, here is equal to 7. Don't forget. Now let's simplify further. We have like term, so it become 3 minus 2 become x squared, right? And then we have 7 minus 2 become 5. Right, 5x. And then the number we have the, let's see, we have what number? We have, let me see, we have here is, this is 7, right? So let's do it carefully. We have 5x and then we have 3x squared. Double check. This one we have to times with the 3, don't forget. Okay, double check. So we have 21 minus 7, which is 14, right? 21 minus, so we bring the 21 to here, so it becomes minus 14. Okay, double check. Got mistake? So then we factorize. I want to get 5, so I take minus 2 plus 7. These 2 multiply will get negative 14. These 2 you plus, you get plus 5 here, equal to 0. So hence x is equal to 2. X is equal to negative 7. But the 2, it is given here. So this solution was given. So we will use x equal to negative 7 to find the y. The y is let's choose this one, easy one. 7 minus 2 times over 3. This is we chose our x is -7, right? So it become 7 plus 14 over 3, so it's 7. It is 7, so the y is 7. So the other solution is -7 and 7, right? So remember, you have to solve your p and q first by using the solution given to 1. After that, you solve the simultaneous equation for p and q. Once you got a p and q, you have to solve your nonlinear and linear equation. After that, you have to find the solution that was not given and solve the x and y. So your answer is -7 and 7 is the other solution. So this is the other solution. We have two solutions, right? 2, 1 is another, is the one given. So this is the one that not given. So this is the other solution. Alright, that's all my sharing. Till then, bye-bye and have a nice day. Study the marks. So substitution. Alright, substitution to 1 mark. P is a knowledge marks. Pengetahuan. Then after that, you simplify. Your P is 1, Q is 7 and 1. And then you use a P and Q. You write the two equations. And you express y in terms of x. And you substitute into the equation. You get K1. And then you simplify until you get the quadratic equation and factorize correctly, 1 mark. Finally, the other solution is -7 and 7. -7 and 7. Right, that is the answer for question number 5.